What's a mixture? What's a solution? Let's go!
Alright, so for this experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to measure out 2 cups of salt. I'm going to try my best to get to 1 ounce of salt. We're going to see how that happens. It's super important that we make sure that these cups are both the same amount of salt. So I have 0.99 in 1 cup, and oh, whoops, I put a little too much in. So we're going to spoon it out and try our best to get it back into the salt. Spilling a little bit as we go, but that's okay. We'll clean it up later. We're going to get as close as we can to 0.99, and there we go, 0.99. So now we have our 2 cups of 0.99. We're going to fill up each with 300 milliliters of water, and the other one with 300 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol. And I'm using my graduated cylinder, and we're going to give each of them a quick stir of the water first. Give it a stir, and then we're going to move on to the isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol can be used for a lot of different cleaning purposes. In this case, we're going to see what happens when we have the salt and the water and the salt and the isopropyl alcohol together. We're all done mixing. 3, 2, 1, stop mixing. Beautiful. And now we're going to let it sit. 2 minutes. And now we're going to come back and mix it a little bit. Just kind of get everything moving, and then we're going to let it sit for another 4 full minutes. So when we start to take a look at it, yes, both of them are cloudy, but if you look at the bottom of the cup, you see little particles of salt, little pieces of salt that have still not mixed in with the isopropyl alcohol. But when we put that down, and when we look at the water is also cloudy, but the salt has dissolved into the water. You can't actually see the little pieces of salt anymore. One more time, we'll look at the isopropyl alcohol, and you see the difference. Down at the bottom, you can see that little graininess there. And so a solution is when all the pieces are mixed together, and a mixture is when you can still kind of see the parts of it together. And I'll give you another example. Hi, Lola. So let's go into our fridge, and let's go look at ketchup. I'm sure everybody knows what ketchup is. I love putting ketchup on a lot of different stuff. And let's look at the ingredients of ketchup. Let's go in tomato concentrate, from ripe tomatoes, distilled water, vinegar, high fructose corn syrup, salt, spice, onion powder, natural flavoring. That's a lot of different ingredients, but look, you can't see the individual ingredients. All you see is red. That is a solution. But let's grab some salad dressing. Okay? Let's look at the back. The ingredients, oh dear lord, water, soybean oil, vinegar, Romano cheese, skim milk, salt, sugar, egg yolks, contains less than 2% of, and then a bunch of other ingredients. And look, you can see the little flecks of different stuff. You can see different things, and that is a mixture. When you can see all the different pieces of something, that's a mixture, and when you can't, that's a solution.